Hey, what's up, what it do? This is Alethea coming back in at you with another video. And this video is going to be a haul video. And no, my hair is not deceiving you. It is darker, but it's supposed to be lighter. It's like a burgundy color. But anyway, you'll see a video on my hair color. And because I don't know, I recorded these videos in a certain order, but I think this haul video will probably be the first one I put up. But anyway, yeah. So now you know this is a haul video. So I have been doing some shopping, and I know it's March and not April, and hence I broke my no buy. But I actually been broke my no buy. But anyway, before I go into this video, let me get myself together. Before I go into this video, I would like to say, and you're gonna hear this in another video because I thought the other video was gonna go up before this one, but I think this one will go up first. But I want to say thank you so much for everyone that has left the kind words on my comments or messaged me on Instagram or something like that in relation to my aunt. I am going to say that right now, any comment that has her in there, I am not going to reply to them, but please know that I definitely appreciate it. And the reason why I'm not going to reply to them, because when people send me text messages, or if I look at something where someone speaks about her, it puts me in a sad space and it makes me cry. And I am trying not to cry. I'm trying to, you know, I know there are going to be days that I'm going to cry and days that things are just going to be, you know, overwhelming. But right now I'm trying to get myself in a space where I'm not. And I'm trying to also get myself in a space to where I can be strong for my mom, because she's here with us for a few days, and she of course is taking it really hard because that's her twin sister. And just like this morning, I cooked her breakfast, and when I took her breakfast, she started crying because she was like, I'm supposed to be cooking breakfast for me and my sister. So yeah. So but right now I'm just not going to comment on those, but please know that I've read them and I appreciate you all, and I thank you so much for your kind words. So with that being said, let's get into this haul. First things that I'm going to show you come from Juvia's Place. And what made me shop from Juvia's Place? Juvia's Place had a sale. I don't remember what that sale was, but they had a sale, and I'm going to tell you if I can remember how much each thing was, because I don't have the receipts in front of me. But they had a sale, and then of course I used a code, and for this one I used the code The Fancy Face. Tina from The Fancy Face, if you know anything about her, she has a Juvia's Place affiliate code, and yeah, so I used her code. So they had a sale, so I bought some things. Let me tell y'all this. First off, this Derma Blend setting powder is bae. I'm waiting on Ulta's 21 days sale to get to this, because I am going to buy another one of these, because I'm not sure how many more I have. Let me see how many I have in my collection right now. I've checked my stash, and all I have is one in the banana and one in the original, and I actually never opened the original. I don't think I'm gonna open it. As a matter of fact, yeah, I never opened it. I'm going to put this with my stuff in my giveaway, so whenever I do the giveaway, it'll go in there, because I don't want to use this one and then I turn around and not like it. So I'd rather go ahead and give it away. But yeah, so I have one on backup, so I'm gonna buy another one. I do still have some of my Laura Mercier setting powder, but I've kind of just fallen out of love with that. So anyway, what I ended up getting though, I got two Juvia's Place setting powders. I got one in the color Sahara and one in the color Kalahari. And these, here they are right here. And the one, I did use one of them today. I used the Sahara, and this is what the Sahara looks like. It looks almost like a banana powder. And I have not opened the Kalahari up. I'm not going to open this one up right now. No, this one actually looks more like a banana. So this one looks like a beige, and this one looks more like a banana. So see? And then let me show you this one. All right. And then from Juvia's Place, this was on sale, and I actually finally got my hands on it. And I could not wait to get my hands on it, but I was determined not to buy anything from the minis until they went on sale. And I think these were like $4 or something, but the chocolate by Juvia's was on sale for $9, and so I did end up getting this. And this is the one that I really wanted. It doesn't have a mirror, but here are the colors. And I'm not going to swatch anything because I am going to do, I know it's spring and all that kind of good jazz, but I am going to do a look using this palette. And I don't know why, but for some reason I always keep my Juvia's Place boxes. So I'm going to keep that box. And then fooling with my mom, I ended up getting the Nomad palette because when I made that order, I ordered something for one of my friends as well as I ordered something for my mom. And my mom wanted the Nomad palette, so that is the one that I got for her. And this one looks just like this. That is so pretty to me. Very, very pretty. I love it. I had looked at it online and I wasn't going to get it, but then when she said something about it, I had to follow suit, and I think this was $12. So that is it. That is all that I did get from Juvia's Place on this order. And like I said, well, I did get the Nomad palette for my mom, and my friend, one of my friends wanted the Berries palette. All right, so here's something that I did get from one of my family members, and you'll see in the other video where I talk about it. I have the MacBook right here, and this is from the crayon case. And this does not have a mirror, and it looks like a notebook on the side. So this is what this palette looks like. And this palette is actually what I use to do my look today. And when you look on the sides of it, look at it. It looks just like a notebook. All right, and so I have ordered some items from the Ulta 21-day sales event. First two things are the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I actually used this concealer on today. And the color that I did get is 38 in medium tan neutral. And I'd never used this concealer and I did not know which color to get. And so here's what it looks like swatched on my hand. I think I could have went for something, another one in the neutral family. Not necessarily something that's darker, but just one of the other ones in the neutral, not neutral, in the tan family that had a little bit more of a, maybe a warmer base to give me a little corrector with it. But you know, at first I didn't like it, but it's kind of wearing on me. The first thing that I did purchase from the Ulta 21-day sale was the Anastasia Brow Wiz, the skinny brow pencils. And these were on sale for $12 each. And I think the Shape Tape was $12 or $12.50, something like that. And of course, I purchased 3 of my favorite mascara at this time, and that is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. That's what it is? That's what it says? Yeah. Bad Gal Bang, that's what it is. Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. I think this was $12 or $12.50, and I got 3 of these. And then I have these Beauty Bakery eggs. I actually ordered 2 of these, and let's see what these look like. Here are these eggs, and I didn't need any more, but this is regularly $18, but it was on sale for $9. And then look at the little egg. It is so cute, the egg carton. So these are like a pink and green color, like an aqua teal green or something like that, and pink. And I'm not going to wet one of these right now because I'm not ready to open them, but I will link the Creative Lady's video where she did her haul unboxing these, and she showed how big it got once it's wet. So I'll link her video for you to go and check out her video where she shows you these at. So I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. I do have some other things coming because I have done a little bit more shopping. But one thing I can say, I'm very proud of myself because I didn't get anything that I did not want or anything that was unnecessary. And everything that I purchased, even I have some items coming from Fenty, even those items, everything was on sale. So I did not purchase anything at the full price. So I'm always proud of myself for not purchasing things at the full price. So with that being said, my battery is blinking. This video is going to stop on me in a minute. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. If you have not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you like and comment and share this video across all your social media sites. And until the next time in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, oh, did I say thank you? Thank you so much for coming to watch one of my videos. Please go ahead and check out some of my other videos and check out my Sisterlock's playlist and any other videos that you would like to watch while you are on this hiatus, if you are. And if you are a healthcare worker, thank you so much for the sacrifice that you are making on a daily basis. And not just the healthcare workers, those workers that are in these grocery stores, those workers that are at these convenience stores, those workers that are at these pharmacies, everyone that is working, that is putting your life at risk. Thank you so much. Until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye.